Mo.
This if you ever sneeze.
Oh, poor baby. Aw.
This got cold, man.
Or allergies, one or the other.
Allergies? Oh, good. Come, big boy.
Poor baby.
Did you see the look on her face?
I know, right?
Oh.
Poor,
It's like,
poor kitty.
like, just caught by surprise or something. Oh, this dude is funny. Allergies versus women.
Woman's killer gets like treatment. Then I went to the supermarket, checked it, like one.
What?
After the father does love. I asked that little Thai girl over at the supermarket that just closed down.
What type?
I asked her last time. So now someone else wearing it. She was like, oh fuck. I gave her my email address. Like, I love sushi. Are you looking for a place for storage space?
Oh, for my phone.
Oh. I fuck.
Free.
I'm afraid to call
free
my
scratches for you and Ryan. 100. What?
What?
So 100 free spins.